Diamond Billiards.
Stop right there. Stop right there.
Shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired, Diamond Billiards.
Put your hands out now.
One down,
Put your
shot
hands
fired.
out now. Hands out now. Hands out now.
497.
Hands out now. Keep the gun low. Don't push it.
Give it to me.
Going up. Nice and easy. Cover down.
May 57, we need fire code 3. Copy, we're starting fire. That was the officer. And confirming, only suspect down. Shooting. Five seven, confirming suspect down. Alright, slow people down. 5-5, slow people down. 0-1-0. 5-5, quick one call. Confirm all officers okay. Yes, sir, Ian. Everyone's good. Everyone's good. Made 5-1 Sam. 5-1 Sam. 7 down this parking lot from Dawes and from, I believe it's Eleanor. Copy. What do you need? 5-5. Incoming units, we're going to need to shut down the entire rear parking lot from either Ellenbrook or Ellenwood and the northernmost entrance on Dawes. Whole place is going to be shut down. And if you want to page or have Sergeant Barnes, give me a call.